Hey friend, hey, Brittany Chanel back with another PR. Why am I like that? With another PR unboxing, y'all. Thread Beauty was kind enough to go ahead and send me their new complexion products. So before we get into it, do make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you're notified every single time I drop. And let's go.
I know you want it, you're not being trying. Just keep on pushing on that.
If you haven't heard of Thread Beauty, you've clearly been sleeping under a rock. They went ahead and sent me their new Cover It multi-use fluid. I've already tried the Face It multi-use complexion stick, which those are these down here, and these are the fluids. They come in 12 different shades. As you can see from the packaging, they try to be very, very inclusive, so everybody should be able to find something that works for them. It is a very affordable brand. I think these are each like $8 at Target. I think some of their blushes are even like $6. And you know, really the packaging sells me. I just love to see this. The only thing that I wish is that they had someone on here like a bigger statue, but besides that, bigger statue I'm saying, but besides that, look at the diversity. I love it. The packaging is just mwah, chef's kiss. The Cover It foundation fluids, they do come in 12 different shades, all for $8. And the Face It complexion sticks come in 26 different shades, and it looks to be like they actually only have a few light ones, and then I think it's a focus on diversity. If you see down here, these are the shades, and these are the shades. I'm sorry, and these are the shades for the fluids. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, do my eyebrows. No, I'll do my eyebrows last, and we'll go ahead and play with these. Okay, y'all, don't judge me, but I went ahead and swatched these in the most awkward way possible. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is all of the shades. These are all of the shades from the new Cover It multi-use complexion fluid. And I think it's pretty like inclusive to be like a concealer. I would use this more like a concealer, I think, than a foundation. But it says you can use it everywhere. So we are gonna go ahead and try to create a full face just using those in the Face It sticks. So for my highlight areas, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with number 4 from the complexion fluid. Yeah, I think this is like what I would normally use. And I'm gonna put the normal amount, which I have a little bit more over here. The consistency of this is like kind of thin, so lightweight. We'll see how the coverage turns out. This is actually more golden than what I would normally use. Not me and my eyebrow. This is actually more golden than what I would normally use, but we're trying it out. For contour, I think I want to go into 9. We're going into 9. I do feel like these are drying down pretty quickly. And to be honest, I do like my stuff with a little bit more thickness. This is almost like I said, it's very lightweight, like going on sheer almost. Okay. I'm not sure how this is gonna blend out, but we're gonna see. And then the complexion stick, okay, I'm gonna go into 100, which is deep tan cool. No, I don't want my face to be cool. I don't know why that 9 looks so red to me. Yeah, this is fine. So this is 100. And I'm gonna just put this in the places I didn't put the other ones. And I'm gonna blend this out together. This is a consistency that I prefer, that I would prefer. Yeah. Okay. So this was in the shade 100. Deep tan, cool. Yeah. I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna be great. Great, great, great. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush like Jackie taught me. Jackie, I know that is. I got it in my mouth. First I'm gonna do the concealer. I'm not spraying this brush. And I always do my concealer with the brush. I did try that velour puff at one point in time. And I don't know. I think this is pretty full coverage, at least medium to full, and you could definitely build it up. People be gagged on my channel when I start with my concealer. Listen, I be afraid that if I let it sit down for too long, it's gonna be stuck and then I'm gonna look crazy. And I think it's been sitting there for long enough, okay? Don't judge me. I really like the way that that blended out. I really, really like it. For those of y'all commenting, checking on me, I'm doing much better. I'm feeling much, just not happier. I'm feeling much more settled. You know, when you have anxiety, things can feel like they're boiling over. I feel like I had a lot of that going on. And I'm feeling much more settled in what I have going on. Okay, it's looking kind of crazy. But that's okay, right? It's supposed to look crazy. It's a trust the process moment, is it not? Next, I'm gonna go in for my contour. Which I think I may have went a little too deep, but it's okay. I'm gonna fix it. Or I hope I'm gonna fix it. One thing about this method of putting everything on at once, it gets messy. It can get messy. To me. But that nose was flawless. That was a flawless little swipe situation. Okay, now let's do the rest so we can blend it together. Going in between the brushes, kind of like just blending it. One thing I will say, this forehead, now sponge, a dry sponge. Y'all be doing a wet sponge. I really be on the spot dry sponge when I want to blend everything. Okay, and here's my face. Wait, let me make sure I show everything. I mean, get everything before y'all be clocking me. Okay, and here's my face with the products all on. What do we think? It feels very lightweight. Like, I kid you not, it feels like I have nothing on my face. And the coverage is definitely there. And I could definitely make it bigger if I wanted to. Okay, Thread Beauty, I see you. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna finish my face and then come back with my final thoughts. So here is the final look. I do think the complexion so far so good. I am thoroughly impressed that all of the products from Thread are only $8. All of the complexion products. That's like chef's kiss. Yeah, I think it's a look. I'll have to let you guys, well, let me know if you guys want me to come back and do like a wear test and show you how it's looking. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I think it's definitely giving the new Drugstore foundation complexion products girl. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight?